I'm like that. Catch a nigga like bad traps, blow his head back right in front of the precinct. I slap your freak, I bump you, don't speak. If you step in my feet, you can drown your own drink. I suck you like my shit just for time. Came back and died this pallbearers and made me drop his heart.
And give it up for your opponent, Jady Chohan.
Cameras off, cameras off.
One thing I'd like to say, even though that's a grudge match, I think it's true sportsmanship to come and do what you just did just then. So again, to everyone, I would like everyone to give them a big round of applause, because regardless
thank everyone for coming, friends, family. I'd like to thank JD. He's got this out of the way. This is the way to do it. Not on the street. Thank you so much. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. Get away from my camera. Jade. Alright, go on, just keep it down there. Just keep it down for a minute. Brother, listen.
Go on, Johnny boy.
Look at the size. And he still stepped in. Battery, warrior.
Mate, guys, listen. I've had a knee injury for 8 weeks. I haven't even trained properly for this fight. So I challenge you again. Let's do it again, because it's, you know, you ain't got no power in your punches. I love you, mate. You ain't got no power.
Hold him. Now hold him. Wait, fans, come on, we're adults, let's be controlled, let's control ourselves. Control, deep breaths, count to 10. And listen, you got to talk about what's happening now, yeah? So then, look, when you lose a draw, you got to be humble about the situation.
I'm finished with it, mate. Got all the guys that he streamed, David. Liam, yeah, I know you guys are badasses, and band dogs are badasses, and I'm going to join one of these classes, get training properly, and do it again. I'll tell you what, it's fucking amazing.
Brother,
What a feeling.
brother, win, lose or draw, you're a winner just for stepping in this cage, brother. You're a winner just for stepping in this cage. Because there's a lot of guys out there running around the street causing trouble, thinking that they're bad boys, but yet they haven't got the balls like you to step in this cage.
Oh, 46.
46 years old. 46 years old, this guy stepped in the cage. For his debut. Fucking honor. Guys, give it up to both fighters. Give it up for both fighters, warriors. Well done, son. I'm fighting again on the 15th of December, Crawley. Come and watch me if you like. Thank you.
I'm stood here with John Kelly after an amazing performance. Wow, you're the winner. How does it feel to, be called that?
It feels great. I feel like I've trained hard for this fight. I don't normally fight, attacking fight. I always fight in the back foot. I'm a counter puncher. I think the occasion got to me.
I do want to ask, where did that stem from?
A long time ago, we was working together doing security, and he was a Thai boxer, and I was boxing at the time. And we had some trouble, and I had a fight, and people said, "Oh, John, whatever." And he was like, "I can beat John out." And we had a lot of banter, so we arranged the fight on the day. It didn't turn up. So years later, we'd see each other, we'd bump into each other, and it's like, "I'll fucking beat you up." And a few times it nearly come to blows, but people got in the way. So.
But it does get to you on the night, as we saw in the cage. Bit of explosion, bit of adrenaline in the room. There's nothing wrong, but it's nice to see that it is done in the room and not taken out elsewhere.
Yeah, 100%. It's do it here, it's safe, train for it. I've lost a lot of weight for this, I feel good. One of the best things I've ever done. This is the first fight I've had in 18, 19 years. And this is the way to do it.
How's the switch over from boxing to MMA?
But MMA's obviously, it's a lot more involved, groundwork, wrestling. I'm a puncher, counter puncher. I'm quite relaxed, and I found that MMA is more of a, even though it's more technical in some parts, it's also very explosive and it's like a brawl. So I found the switch over a bit hard at first in sparring, but I'm getting the hang of it. Fight again on the 15th, can't wait.
Well, you heard that he's fighting, but make sure you go and watch him. Anyone you'd like to thank lastly?
I just want to thank all my friends for coming in, my family, my David Zelenowski, my main trainer, Liam. He's also my trainer, both of my corners tonight. Couldn't have done it without him. And most of all, my beautiful wife inspired me to get up every morning, pushed me to run, to train, to diet. Couldn't have done anything without her. Thank you very much.
True supporters. This is your man, John Kelly.
Thank you.